In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add shortcuts to the sidebar in GoodDay. Adding shortcuts is a simple way to keep your most important spaces and projects just one click away, so you don't waste time hunting through menus. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you step by step, and you can follow along in your own GoodDay workspace. First, make sure you're logged into your GoodDay account and you're on the main screen where you can see the left-hand sidebar. This sidebar is where you normally access your projects, workspaces, and other key areas. What we're going to do is customize it a bit so that the items you use the most are always visible. To start, look at the left side of the screen where the sidebar is located. Near the top or upper portion of that sidebar, you'll see a small icon that looks like either a grid or it may be labeled as More, depending on your view or theme. This is essentially the button that opens up additional options and modules that are not currently pinned in your sidebar. Go ahead and click on that More or Grid icon. When you click it, a panel or menu will open, showing you a list of available sections, apps, or workspaces that you can access in GoodDay. Some of these items might already be visible in your sidebar, while others are only accessible through this expanded menu. Now, in that panel, look for the item you want to add as a shortcut to your sidebar. Next to that item, you'll see a small icon. This icon is usually represented by a pin, a plus sign, or something similar that indicates you can add or pin it. This is the control you'll use to turn that item into a shortcut. Click on that icon next to the item you want to add. Once you click it, GoodDay will immediately place a shortcut to that item in your left-hand sidebar. You don't need to refresh the page, you should see it appear right away. From now on, you'll be able to open that section directly from the sidebar without going back into the More or Grid menu. You can repeat this process for any other items you'd like to keep handy. Just open the More or Grid menu again, find the item, and click the icon beside it to add it as a shortcut. Over time, you can fine-tune your sidebar so it reflects exactly how you work, making navigation in GoodDay faster